Today I'm going to be talking about the air filters on your weed eater. They are a small part but still essential for performance. And a dirty air filter pretty much will have a lot of grass clippings, dust, and just any other type of gunk. For example, this one. How often should you check your air filter? Well, as a rule of thumb, you want to check your air filter between every 5 to 10 hours of operating time, or at least once a month. And this, of course, all depends on how often you use it. If you're using your weed whacker in conditions that are dry or dusty, you might want to check it more often. And it's good to have a brush or any kind of toothbrush to just clean out those air filters as a temporary fix until you can get them replaced or properly cleaned. Now, next I'm going to be talking about signs that you may need to change that air filter right away. And that's trouble with your weed whacker starting, loss of performance, or just any type of weird noise. I would definitely say that's one of the things you should check right away before taking it into the shop. So that's about it. I hope this video was helpful. Until next time.